Hey you guys, today I'm doing a quick unboxing of a G&L bass that I bought used on eBay. This one probably has some issues, so let's check it out. Specifically, this guy has kind of a beat up neck. Look like the truss rod was adjusted possibly to the point where the neck itself cracked, so not a good thing. But I thought I'd buy it. I got a good price on it. See if I could make something out of it again. Probably should have bought it. And who knows if I'll get around to another project. Alright. Pretty heavy. Got some packing material. And the base. I don't know if the case is original yet. I don't think it is. I think this is supposed to be a 1995 G&L, and this case feels not original to the era. So much work to get it unpacked. Alright, so like I said, this is definitely not a G&L original case. Let's open it up. Pretty heavy duty case though. Case is made in Korea. And there's just some notes about string gauges. The eBay listing said that the truss rod is just about maxed out, so that's not good. As soon as I get this unpacked, we'll do a better close-up. Alright, so it's like a cherry sunburst finish, white pickup covers. Hopefully we've got original pickups. Got some rusty screws and a broken pickguard. This looks like it's been wrenched on. The nut looks really low and strange. And then it's got in the 90s they used this type of neck plate, a 3-bolt neck plate. The newer ones have the 6-bolt without a plate, which is really nice, but some sort of dot here and here. That's strange. And alright, well, I'll get this thing set up and do a full review on it and plug it into an amp. But for now, this concludes our little unboxing of a used 1995 LB-100 G&L bass. Thanks for watching. Bye.